we will have first row block. In the row we will have two columns and the content will be in the center of that columns. Apply some padding, copy that block and paste it again. Let me type hi. Now here I will have that streaming block. In the streaming block I will have a row and the row will have two columns. One block will be for that local user and the other will be for that remote user. So let me format the document, and that remote user I will write that in paragraph tag, and both the column have to take all the available space. So it will be called dash 12. So let me check it. It's now ready. Here add h2 tag. The text will be Agora live user. In the other block we will have user input form. So add h2 tag. The text will be Agora input form. The first will be of that text. Name of that input field will be app id. ID will be app id. Class will be form control. Placeholder will be enter Agora app id. Then I have to place it inside in div tag. And apply some shadow effect. Copy that and paste it again. That will be channel. And the placeholder will be Agora channel. The last input field will be for token. It will be optional. So the placeholder will be Agora token and also add that optional. Remove that extra input. Now we will have two buttons. One will be for that join button. So the input type will be submit. Value will be join. Class will be button primary, form control, width will be 25%. Apply some shadow effect and the button will be small. Copy that and paste it again. Change the value to leave and the ID will be equal to leave. Also add ID to that join button. Let me add that a div tag. Copy that and paste it inside that div tag. Add a class row. This will be call and display will be flex. The div display type will be flex. Justify content around. And the ID will be bottom box. Here I have to add another div tag. Add ID to that div tag and this will be remote user. Also add class and the class will be player. Now let's copy that and paste it here. This will be a local user and the class will be that player.